Most developers get tripped up on promises because they skip the fundamentals of how to create one. Let's fix that right now. To create a new promise, you use the promise constructor with the new keyword. This looks like new promise, followed by a function. This function is called the executor, and it's where all the magic happens. The promise constructor is built into JavaScript, so you don't need any imports or libraries. The executor function receives two parameters, resolve and reject. These are callbacks that JavaScript provides for you. Resolve is called when your asynchronous operation succeeds, and reject is called when it fails. Think of them as the success and failure handlers for your promise. You define what success and failure mean for your specific use case. Here's a practical example. We create a promise that simulates fetching data. After a delay, if the data fetch succeeds, we call resolve with the data. If something goes wrong, we call reject with an error. The key is that calling resolve or reject transitions the promise from pending to either fulfilled or rejected. Every promise starts in a pending state. When you call resolve, it becomes fulfilled. When you call reject, it becomes rejected. Once a promise is fulfilled or rejected, it can't change states again. For simple cases, you can also use promise.resolve or promise.reject as shortcuts to create already settled promises. Remember, new promise takes an executor function with resolve and reject callbacks. Master this pattern and you'll handle async JavaScript like a pro. Practice creating your own promises today. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.